We are going to show you how to connect the battery on a Backups Pro. In this video, we will be using the BR1000MS. The APC Backups Pro is shipped with the battery disconnected. Before you power on the UPS, the battery needs to be connected. Lay the UPS with the battery door facing up. The arrows point to the locking tabs of the battery compartment. Press the tabs downward and pull the battery door away from the unit to access the battery modules. Using the handles on both sides of the battery, lift the battery 30 degrees upward to expose the battery connector. Connect the red wire. Push the battery into the unit. Replace the battery door. Now you can plug in and power on the UPS.